Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. Right here is probably one of the most special books I have ever had the chance to create. I thought it would be so fun to ask 3 of our active friends in the YBM app community if they wanted to sketch out an interactive page idea, send a picture to me, and then I would teach it in my next class. It was so fun to get into the minds of these amazing artists. I am so unbelievably lucky to call them my friends. They played architect and I played engineer, and I had an absolute blast. I've actually ended up using Christmas Flora by Carta. Love this paper pack, really focusing on the nature aspects and the traditional colors. There's really no Santa in here. As you know, maybe we've had, a little enough of Santa during the Halloween, if you saw that last video. But absolutely love this. We've got a cardstock sticker sheet, all these 3x4s, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous collection. So I wanted to do something simple and different. It kind of looks like a little wrapped present here, so I thought that was super fun. Got a little belly band closure here, and I topped it off with like a little handmade paper bow, so we got really scrapbooky in class there and made our own little cute little bow topper right there. So this plaid paper is my heart. I absolutely love it. I put it all around the book. Are you guys ready? I am extremely excited. You have no idea. Oh my goodness. Here it is. Look what you 3 did. Introducing the Veleeta album. I just 100% love how your guys' designs came together. For a moment, I want to show you, I printed out the pictures they sketched and took a picture of and sent it to me. This construction you'll see, this is by Veronica. And then the next concept you'll see playing out in this book is Lee. So I love all her interactive elements here. So Lee, you did absolutely amazing. I'm in love with everybody's designs. Then we have Syreeta for the back inside cover, her concept for this envelope. So you'll see all these sketches come to life. So right here we've got Veronica Hubbard's beautiful design. I just love it. So Veronica's idea was to have a file folder pocket, which I just absolutely love. We got some 4x6 photo space right here, and then a simple tag inside. Now, the amazing thing about this cool little shaker is it actually is an acetate window and a total flap. Okay, so this was her concept. I really had to work really hard to kind of understand how I was going to create that pocket, Veronica. Gosh, that is a super funny situation. I think I remade that about 6 times before I got it right. I layered up some of the stickers here. I mean, look how fun. And then I have a cute little swivel here that keeps that cute little file folder pocket flap in place. And I got a nice 5x7 photo there. I just had a ton of fun with twine. I ended up making 2 cute little knots at the end of that banner there, just to kind of finish it off. I tried bows at first, but it was just a little bit too busy. But is this cool or what? Veronica, I really hope you love it. I mean, I'm obsessed with shakers now. I think I'm going to be including those in everything I make now. My goodness, and you can fit more in here. Just absolutely love it. It kind of surprises you. I ended up studying how to do a proper shaker, so this one ended up fantastic. I layered up some of the stickers here, a little bit of dimensional foam tape to pop up that cute little Merry Christmas banner there. And I've have some really cute wood veneer Christmas trees in there. My gosh, I've been storing those in my stash for way too long. Then right here, Lee, oh my goodness, Lee Zenko, absolutely wonderful. I love her twine idea, so I came back and created this cascade of pages just like her drawing. Right on the front, we have this beautiful little acetate window right there for a nice 4x6 picture. And this just slips out. Love that cute little holly or kind of like a berry and pine page. Happy Holidays little sticker there from the collection. To open it all up, you just open this twine just like this, and then it flips open. I love how each flap reveals the next hidden image. Oh, what fun. I mean, look, she wanted to include vellum. I had a blast with that. She thought to do a super simple tuck closure, and it just ended up fantastic. And then all these cute little things come up. Adorable. I just left one little picture spot there, and then a little sticker from the sticker sheet left over, and I fussy cut around this Christmas tree, and then a cute little saying right there from the cut aparts page. Just love it. And that just tucks right under that cute little sticker element right there. I just popped it up with some dimensional foam tape. And then on the next page, Lee, oh my goodness, I did like a cute little angle here, another 4x6 photo space, little cluster of stickers there. And then here's your trifold. So she wanted to include a trifold right here. I decided to make it a vertical 4x6 trifold so it can fit and hide just like her drawing. I just had so much fun again with, look at this. The little twine, look what it can do. A little bit of texture added into the book. This opens up. 2 more photo spots right there. She wanted like a total of 5 photos in this spot, so I made sure I put these little mats there. And look how many you can fit in this tiny little spot. And in order to kind of make her area stable, I decided to put it on a pocket page. So this is a pocket page and a hinge album right here. And it's just one signature. Got a cute little insert inside that pocket page. couple little stickers right there. I created my own little homemade tab there. And then a nice 5x7 photo spot. Holly jolly. Absolutely love it. 100% love it. And she wanted picture mats on the back of each unit, so I made sure I included that. So you got another 5x7 here. Look how cute. Doesn't it look like their designs were meant to be together? They're sketches. Neither one of them knew who each other were, so I thought it was a lot of fun. And then it's as if they all knew. It's incredible the way that this, you know, wow. Of course, I got to choose whose went where, but I just loved how this came together. So a cute little warm wishes sticker there. Just love it. You guys are incredible. I'm very, very excited to do something like this again in the future. It was amazing to just dive into your guys' mind and see your drawings and try to bring them to life. Another 4x6. This was my little integration into the design here. Just a nice little extra flap. So merry with a couple more stickers there. And then Syreeta. Get a load of this one. I mean, this is awesome. Watch out for the little trick here. I mean, we've got photo space in the back. So she wanted envelope, pocket storage in the back of this cute traditional styled envelope here. And then I've got some inserts. Okay, so you could tuck some stuff behind here. I just fussy cut around the paper collection there. Added more of that. Cut around this. And also, if you want to learn to make this book, I'll leave the entire tutorial down in the description. Oh my goodness, it was a blast. Here's some journaling lines there with a little bit of chalk marker. And then, oh my gosh, this little bulldog clip comes off. This opens up. And then you've got more picture space or other kind of little tag space in here. But not only that, this whole flap totally disconnects and comes out and reveals more picture space or journaling. Is that not a super cool idea or what? Serita, you're incredible. Let's look at this. This was her total idea. To have this envelope totally, look at this. I mean, is that adorable or what? You guys are just absolutely just amazing. All three of you. I just put this little clip to kind of keep that little flap closed. It almost looks like mail's going to be delivered for Christmas. I just think it's just the cutest idea in the world. You guys are amazing. I'm mind blown. I'm 100% mind blown how everything came together. I want to thank you again, the three of you, for just making this album so unbelievably special. It was amazing to play and really connect with you and take your sketches and try to bring your guys' visions to life. It truly was an absolute joy. I cannot wait to see everyone else's books. Be sure to share them on our YBM community when you're finished. And if you have never made a book before, this is definitely one you can do. I mean, it was a blast. Thank you again, everyone, so much for watching. Veronica, Lee, Syreeta, you guys rock. I absolutely cannot wait to see your guys' renditions. Thank you everyone so much for joining me. I'll leave the tutorial down in the description for you, and I'll see you all over in the community, and have a beautiful and wonderful holiday season. Talk to you soon.